Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Home Depot affiliate program, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Home Depot affiliate program homepage. Look for the Join Now or Sign Up button and click on it. You will be redirected to the Sign Up page. Fill out the required information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Provide your mailing address for correspondence. Next, enter your website or blog URL where you plan to promote Home Depot products. If you don't have a website, note that you may not be eligible for the program. In the next section, describe how you plan to promote Home Depot's products. Be specific about your marketing strategies, such as blog posts, social media, or email marketing. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Ensure that you understand the rules and guidelines for participation. Once you've read through the terms, agree to them. Click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. You will receive a confirmation email from Home Depot shortly after. Check your inbox for this email and follow any additional instructions. Upon approval, log into your affiliate account using your email and password. Familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard and the tools available. Browse the selection of products you can promote. Generate your unique affiliate links for the products you choose. Incorporate these links into your content strategy effectively. Monitor your performance through the dashboard to track commissions and clicks. Stay updated on promotional materials and tools available to affiliates. Engage with the affiliate community to gain insights and tips for success. Regularly check for new product offerings and promotions to maximize your revenue potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.